How to increase Instagram ads spending limit. Now, of course, the very first thing that you will do is access the Instagram application. And once you're here, just go to the lower right portion of your screen, which is going to be your profile picture, and tap the three lines at the top right portion. Then here, you should be able to find multiple options, but the one that we're looking for is below the For Professionals tab. Now just simply tap on Created Tools and Controls and go directly to Add Payments. Now, now tap on your current payment method. Now, if your professional dashboard is fully verified, then you should be able to see options that says spending limit. But if you cannot see it, then just go directly to Get Payment Support. And here, just choose on a payment and then choose on it's something else. And then in here, just tap on Contact Us. Now before you go here, if you cannot see the option to say spending limit, take a screenshot on that option and then just upload it here and then explain it here that you want to increase your spending limit and then add the exact amount on how much you'd like to be extended. And that's it. That's how you extend or increase the spending limit on Instagram ads.